So there are so many serious and critical issues that we have to work on. I'm so glad to see so many of you here coming together, raising your voices, making sure that you are seen and heard, because that is how we are going to change things for the better. Thank you all so very much.
I have to say, this is the experience itself really is a story by itself, because to put 13 leaders together in one room, try to hammer out one statement is not easy, but it turned out to be, it's a fun event. Everybody contribute. We chop up the original message and finally agree on a essential and shortened, more precise message. That's great.
It's a very diverse representation of Asian Pacific Americans. In no particular order, with Anthony Ng, Chinese American, Pius Agaro, Indian American, Joe Wong, myself from Hong Kong, I'm American, Xiaoyin Zhang, Chinese American, Jennifer Ong, Filipino American, S.K. Low, Chinese American, H.P. Wang, Taiwanese American, David Warburg, Indian American, Munsuf Seol, Korean American, Jesse Vizcarro, Filipino American, Angela from FAPAC, Filipino American. FAPAC is Federal Employee Pacific Asian American Association. Naraj Baxi, Indian American, and Sabaj Rastan, Indian American.
The reason why we involve so heavily in making this happen, because this is a part of the journey that we need to start. Unless we fly together, working together, we will always be divided.
Joint statement kind of tied us together to a commitment that we would like to have and try to unite our whole community, because 2020 is a very critical year for us to participate civically and engage in census and engage in voting, engage in showing that we are a unified
As Americans, 1.5%. Asian American together is less than about 6%. So America is a democracy, is a multi-ethnic democracy, and in that democracy, numbers matters. So for that matter alone, that we need to get together and play the ball together.
Community of Asian Americans, Pacific Islanders, to allow the world to know who we are, how do we stand together, what do we want to accomplish in this conference, plus what we want to spread to the rest of the nation and the global, and how we're working together as a unity, united
we
as
speak
one.
One word, we speak with one voice. It's easy to come into agreement, with whatever is written. It's just a matter of really fine-tuning all these words, and I'm so happy that it was really reflective of all the previous work that we've done and what we have planned to do in the future.
So today I'm so honored to be your MC for the press conference. Thanks to all the community leaders. United, we stand for better future. Empower Asian American for 2020.
Time to build on the momentum.
This is a call to action to increase our volunteerism, philanthropy, public policy advocacy, community service, voter registration, census participation, and political engagement at the local, state, and national levels.
To Sandy Chow, to Dr. importance of this Education Workforce Committee is alive and well and hard working.
I look forward to working with all of you as we make America an even better place to live.
It's a beautiful work we put together by 2 generations, and for me as a facilitator of this, to work out, it's a joy to see how the community come together. We prove as a community we are able to build a coalition. We can work together. This is the live proof that. So that's my story. I want to tell people, as an Asian American community, we can come together. We can do something together. We can make a difference.